Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the DID AI video generator to create talking avatars with perfect lip sync. Step by step. Let's get started. Open Google and search for DID AI. Click on the official DID website link. Once the page opens, click on the Login button in the top right corner. Here you can either log in with Google or enter your email to sign in. I'm going to click on Login with Google. After logging in, click on the Avatar Video button. Now select the aspect ratio for YouTube, which is 16:9. You can either start from a blank project or choose from the available templates. I'm going to choose a template called Product Release Announcement. Click on the Add Selected Scene button. Now you can make modifications according to your needs. On the left-hand pane, click on Avatar and choose the avatar you like, or keep the one already selected. Next, click on Script and then choose the Audio tab. Here you can either record audio or upload an audio file. I want to upload audio, so let's go to ChatGPT and get the script for the video topic we want. For example, I'll search for benefits of artificial intelligence in the medical field. And copy the script generated by ChatGPT. Now go to 11 Labs to create the voiceover. Click on the Login button. Once logged in, click on the Text-to-Speech option. Paste the text you copied from ChatGPT into the text box. Select the voice name Brian and click on the Generate Speech button. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare like never before. From faster diagnoses to personalized treatments, AI is saving lives, reducing costs, and shaping the future of medicine. Introduction. Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we'll explore the remarkable benefits of artificial intelligence in the medical field and why it's one of the biggest breakthroughs in healthcare history. Benefit 1. Faster and more accurate diagnosis. Once the speech is generated, download the audio file. Now go back to DIDAI and upload the audio file you just created. After uploading the audio, click on the Generate Video button. Wait for the process to complete and preview your video. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare like never before. From faster diagnoses to personalized treatments, AI is saving lives, reducing costs, and shaping the future of medicine. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare like never before. From faster diagnoses to personalized treatments, AI is saving lives, reducing costs, and shaping the future of medicine. And that's it. You have successfully created a talking avatar video with perfect lip sync using DID AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and turn on notifications for more AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.